Listen to the radio emissions of Saturn, a sound of the planet screaming into the void. This eerie acoustic profile is the true voice of the gas giant. For centuries, humanity looked through lenses like this and saw a jewel, a golden giant floating quietly in the dark. Distance gave us the luxury of projecting ideas of peace and perfection onto the planet. Saturn is a violent colossus. It is a massive ball of hydrogen and helium spinning with such ferocity that it physically flattens itself, bulging at the equator into the shape of a pumpkin. Getting closer to Saturn reveals a trap of impossible storms and violent physics. The beauty we see from Earth is an illusion of distance. Flying inside the rings reveals a 300,000-kilometer-wide blizzard of jagged ice and rock. These fragments orbit at thousands of kilometers per hour, varying from the size of a grain of sand to a mountain, constantly colliding and shattering. This chart shows the Roche limit, an orbital boundary where a planet's gravity becomes fatal, creating shear force to pull objects apart. Scientists believe a moon once crossed this line. Saturn's gravity shredded it, scattering the remains into the icy rings we see today. These rings are the scattered guts of a murdered world. We are looking at a planetary graveyard. This diagram illustrates the stark difference between typical fluid dynamics and the storm at Saturn's North Pole. While hurricanes usually form spirals, this polar system maintains a rigid, six-sided geometric rotation. This hexagon is a hurricane wide enough to swallow 4 Earths. At its center lies a deep red spinning vortex, a geometric scar that has been raging for decades. Every 30 Earth years, the entire planet changes. A massive storm called the Great White Spot erupts, wrapping ammonia ice clouds around the entire circumference, flashing with lightning 10,000 times stronger than anything on our world. The golden bands of the atmosphere are a lid covering a chaotic engine of heat and energy that periodically explodes. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, possesses a thick atmosphere and an Earth-like surface. It is a world of rivers, lakes, and rain clouds. Titan's chemistry is deadly. Liquid methane and ethane fall from the sky as rain, hitting a surface chilled to -79 degrees Celsius. At these temperatures, a human would shatter like glass. Shifting dunes hundreds of meters high cover the surface. These are composed of dark, statically charged hydrocarbon grains, essentially plastic. Further out lies Enceladus, a moon of pure white ice. Massive blue fractures at the South Pole shoot supersonic geysers of water vapor into space. Saturn's immense gravity kneads Enceladus like a ball of dough. This friction keeps the moon's core warm enough to sustain a salty, global subsurface ocean rich in organic molecules. Within this violent gravitational trap, the ingredients for life are present. We went to Saturn looking for gas and rock, but we might leave having found neighbors. The Cassini spacecraft served as humanity's lone messenger at Saturn for 13 years, providing our first high-resolution look at these secrets. In 2017, NASA faced a difficult choice. To prevent Cassini from contaminating Enceladus, they ordered the mission control team to crash the craft into Saturn's atmosphere. Cassini fought to keep its antenna pointed at Earth until the very end. The intense heat and pressure of the planet melted and vaporized the robot, making it a permanent part of Saturn. Data shows that the planet is currently consuming itself. Gravity is pulling the rings down into the atmosphere as we rain. In 100 million years, a mere blink in cosmic time, the rings will be gone. Saturn will be just another lonely gas giant in the dark. Saturn is a temporary masterpiece of gravity and violence. Its ultimate beauty is fleeting, and we are simply lucky to witness it before it vanishes.